Japanese macaques, also known as snow monkeys, are found throughout the archipelago, from subtropical islands to snowy mountains. Long observed by scientists, these primates have revealed something remarkable: they possess their own cultures. From washing food to soaking in hot springs, from stone games to cooperative feeding, macaques learn and transmit behaviors across generations. These traditions, unique to certain groups, show that culture is not only human, it also lives among monkeys. Just 35 kilometers west of Takamatsu, on the quiet island of Shodoshima in Japan, Japanese macaques, Macaca fuscata, have developed a fascinating and little understood behavior. At first glance, during the day, there's nothing particularly unusual. The macaques wander the forested hills, foraging alone or in small groups. But when the sun sets, something remarkable happens. They begin to converge and form what looks like a giant ball of monkeys. Locals call it Sarudango, literally, monkey dumpling. This massive huddling behavior isn't just about staying warm, it's also a reflection of their social world. Some clusters on Shodoshima can exceed 100 individuals, far more than the 2 to 5 typically seen in other Japanese macaque populations. Why do they do this? And how do they decide who gets the warmer center and who ends up in the cold? To answer this, we combine field observations with cutting-edge tools. Using facial recognition software, we can identify each monkey and track their behaviors: who grooms whom, who threatens whom, and who submits. From this, we build detailed social networks showing dominance and affiliation. In these networks, the dominant individuals, especially high-ranking males, consistently earn a spot at the warm core of the Sarudango. Subordinates? They're pushed to the periphery, more exposed to wind and cold. Grooming partners also tend to huddle closer together, showing that friendships matter, too. But there's more. We've developed a computational model that simulates these dynamics. Each macaque in the simulation follows simple rules: join a cluster if it's cold and others are nearby, leave if it gets too crowded or uncomfortable. These basic decisions, replicated hundreds of thousands of times, recreate the same patterns we see in the wild: large, cohesive clusters when temperatures drop, and smaller, looser ones in warmer weather. The results are clear. The probability of forming a huddling cluster is mostly driven by solar radiation and temperature. But the structure of that cluster, who touches whom, is dictated by social rules. So behind what looks like a simple pile of monkeys lies a complex choreography of social status, friendship, and environmental adaptation. The Sarudango is not just a strategy for warmth, it's a living map of macaque society. The Japanese macaques teach us that culture can emerge wherever social learning thrives. Their traditions, diverse, local, and evolving, mirror our own in surprising ways. By studying their behaviors, we begin to see culture not as a human invention, but as a shared legacy across species.